Hey, Ben here, and today I want to talk to you about using the 80-20 rule in business and how it can help you make faster, better business decisions. So the 80-20 rule dictates that we will get 80% of the reward from 20% of the effort. You can use this with, for example, your client base. You're probably getting 80% of your revenue from about 20% of your client base. You'll get 80% of the output from 20% of the input. So 80% reward from 20% putting in. So the way that I used to do stuff, I know with my marketing agency, was that we would not launch anything until it was 100% a new service, any kind of quirky thing, piece of content, anything that we did, it was no, it needs to be 100%. It represents us, has to be 100%. The problem with that is it takes a long time. You've got to put in 100% of the effort to get it 100% there, to get all the little niggles worked out and get everything absolutely perfect. It takes too long. And then when you launch it, if it's not quite right, you've got to tweak it. You've got to go back and change it anyway. You know, and if something really flops, you've put in all of that work for no reward. Now, a far better approach that we use now is the 80-20 principle. You put in 20% of the effort to get 80% of the reward. So, you know, you can put in 20% of the effort, launch, get the feedback, find out what's working and what's not, then change it, tweak it, and slowly over time perfect it and make it better. But at least you know that it's something that is working. You're not then wasting your time. You can also get things to market a lot quicker using this way. And also when you think about it mathematically, if you're putting in 100% effort to get 100% reward, would it not be better to get 5 lots of 80 than 100 for the same amount of input? You know, I'd much rather launch 5 things knowing that 3 of those are going to be really good and 2, you know, they might flop or you might need to tweak them a little bit. You know, nothing you launch really is ever going to be perfect. You know, when it hits the market, they are going to need changes, tweaks. You're going to find your messaging slightly wrong, the design slightly wrong, you know, your price point slightly wrong, or the product's missing a key feature. Whatever it is, you are much better off putting 20% of the effort in to get 80% of the reward, then see what the market says and adjust and perfect over time. But that's how to use the 80-20 rule in business. I hope you found that helpful. Like always, hit me up in the comments and let me know if you're using this or if this is something that you're going to look at now implementing into your business.